Hello everybody. So to, I think my voice sounds terrible right now. I don't know because I'm using my headphone. So today we are doing something different, not playing games and not the gaming stuff. Today we are reacting to something. So let's jump right into it. And don't forget to smash that like button for a free cookie. And subscribe to the channel so you can see more amazing content like this. So let's get started. So now we are reacting to Minecraft fake speedruns. What's the title? Fake Minecraft speedruns be like by MCM. So let's play this video. Yay, that's very lucky. Okay. Yes, that's more than enough. Okay. Yes, I will ignore it. I will try to ignore it. Okay. Oh my god, small miner. It's small. Okay, yeah. When did I add this? Oh, let's go. And conveniently place that. Damage. Yes. How you not mining the other diamonds and making armor out? Wait, he better diamond. How did he? He just got set to server. God sent the meat right from above for him. Okay. Oh wait, I see a village. I saw a village. Oh, let's go. We found it. Yeah, let's go. He's all like hyped up about this. I think he built the portal up. I think he built the portal to. Okay. Okay. God helped him build the portal. Let's go. Nee. Let's go. He's going. Huh? Oh, that blaze is very loud. Blaze is very loud. That stuff is very loud. Okay. Blaze rods. Okay. Wait. Let me. Huh? Okay, that lava is very high. Oh, let's go. Huh? That's zombified. He does not even. That's the old one. Yeah, he tried in that right. That's very lucky. Why is it not? Okay. Why is it not glowing? It is enchantment also. It is not glowing. That's illegal. That's very illegal. Wait, let me see. Okay. Oh shit. Oh no. These castles. That's loud. That's loud. Let's go. Ayurveda. Low. Huh? Yes, command. Oh. Yes, that was a totally legit. That's totally legit. Okay. Yeah, let's go. It worked. I spy. Let's go. Kill that zero fish. This. Huh? Who is that? Who was that? Wait a second. Who was that behind him? Who was? Huh? Okay. Oh, let's go. Huh? silver. Oh my god. Oh my god. The shit. Oh my god. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Kill the Ender Dragon. He's flying. Let's go. Hi. Hi. Kill him. Ah. Let's go. Wait, did he just? I didn't notice that, but he reduced the timer. That's okay. Five, five, 5 minutes. Wait. This. Okay, so guys, that was an amazing video made by MCN. Yeah. Go check out his channel. I will leave a link to his channel, and that video we just reacted to in the description. And okay, and yeah, that's it for this today. And comment down below what I should react to next Saturday. So this is going to be every Saturday. So what should I react to next Saturday? So bye guys, bye everyone. And this will be uploaded tomorrow, meaning it will be uploaded on Sunday. So I will record it on every Saturday and upload it on Sunday, so you can call it the weekend stuff or something. So yeah, bye.